If you want to check your X, formerly Twitter history, there are two simple ways to do it, and I'm going to walk you through both in this video. First, I'll show you how to download your full account archive so you can see your full activity history. Then, I'll show you how to check specific activity directly inside X, like posts, replies, likes, and bookmarks. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this one. Let's start with the full history archive method. Open X and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the More option in the side menu. Tap or click More, then select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps your account controls and data options. Next, click Your Accounts. Inside this section, you'll see several account management tools, but the one you want is Download an archive of your data. Click that option to begin the request process. Depending on your account settings, X may ask you to verify your identity first. If that happens, just complete the verification step so X can confirm it's really you. After verification, request the archive. X will then start preparing your data package. This can take some time, especially if your account is older or has a lot of activity, so don't worry if it isn't instant. Once the archive is ready, you'll get a notification or email letting you know it's available for download. When the download is ready, save the file to your device and open it. Inside the archive, you can review a lot of your account history, including your posts, likes, bookmarks, and other activity tied to your account. This is the best option if you want a complete record of what you've done on X over time. Now let's go over the faster method for checking specific activity directly on X. If you only want to see certain parts of your history, go to your profile. For posts, click Profile, then select Posts. This will show the content you've posted on your account. If you want to see replies you've made, go to Profile and then tap Replies. That section shows your conversations and responses to other users. If you want to review content you've liked, go to Profile and then Likes. This is a quick way to check posts you've interacted with before. For saved content, click Bookmarks. That section shows the posts you've bookmarked for later. It's especially useful if you want to find something you saved without scrolling through your entire feed. So to recap, if you want your complete X history, use the Download an archive of your data option. If you just want to check specific activity, use your profile sections like posts, replies, likes, and bookmarks. Both methods are simple once you know where to look. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. And if you want more X and Twitter tips, check out the next video on your screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.